5 myths about chiropractic. Myth 1. Chiropractic care is only for back pain. The truth is, chiropractors treat a variety of issues, including neck pain, headaches, and joint problems. Myth 2. Chiropractic adjustments are dangerous. The truth is, adjustments are safe when performed by licensed chiropractors, with serious complications being extremely rare. Myth 3. Chiropractic treatments are painful. The truth is, most adjustments are not painful and often provide immediate relief. Myth 4. Chiropractors aren't real doctors. The truth is, chiropractors are licensed healthcare professionals with extensive training and education. Myth 5. Once you start chiropractic care, you have to keep going forever. The truth is, treatment plans vary. Some need only a few visits, while others may benefit from ongoing care.